Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dominican macaroni salad. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 1 1/2 cups of mayonnaise, and a variety of fresh vegetables. Make sure you have a large mixing bowl and a sturdy spatula on hand. This delicious salad is perfect for gatherings and serves 6 to 8 people, making it a crowd pleaser. Begin by cooking 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. While the macaroni cools, dice 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 small onion. Also, chop 2 hard-boiled eggs and 1/2 cup of celery into small pieces. Now, in your large mixing bowl, combine the cooled macaroni with all the diced vegetables and chopped eggs. Add 1 1/2 cups of your favorite mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard for that classic tang. Gently mix everything together until all ingredients are well coated. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your Dominican macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste and texture. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for an appealing presentation. It's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or a simple family meal. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.